Right there. There it is. Here it comes. Hamming it.
How's that, brother?
That looks sweet, dude.
Did I jump into this thing or what?
That was great. Is that camera still dry or no?
Yeah.
Yours I don't think probably is.
Well, I'll get you to grab that winch.
Yeah, I'll get over
Get
there.
your bike situated. Don't run over my knapsack.
Yeah.
It might be over there, okay. Yeah, we did!
Yeah, we did. Look at that shot.
Testing out the clutches. Testing out the clutches. Good.
Thing.
Free spool doesn't seem to be working, I don't think.
No?
It might have washed out though.
Better leave it that way.
Yeah, not the time, eh?
Yeah, you don't need it to be not going back in. Man.
Yeah, you too. What's not to like about that bad boy even having a bottle opener?
That's great, yeah, it does. Maybe over a little bit. That's good. Check GPS. Gotta give her a second. Again. Well, doesn't seem to be taking on water, right?
She's biting.
We came to check it out and
we just tested her thoroughly, I think,
we tested her thoroughly and she's working good.
Wow!
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Man, this place is an adventure, eh?
Yeah, it is.
What an adventure, really. Their box dry as a bone. Axle's clean. Yeah, we did.
A little bit dirty.
All right, I'm gonna kill the camera for a minute here, Keith.
All right, buddy.
Cheers. Oh yeah, you're full. Me?
Yeah, you got a little over half.
Oh, we're good. All right. Yeah, we're back, man. We're gonna wrap up this ride. We're gonna get back. We're gonna draw some winners or something. I don't know, man, but
you're right.
There's still a little fun up here. We're not quite done with her yet. See if you can't pull that free, Keith.
No, well, you know what? We got that in there.
Yeah, we did. It's treacherous. Oh boy. Axle paddles! Just like that.
got it.
Oh man, that was nasty.
Oh, you fucking hit hard. Hit her hard?
Almost took a trip over the bars, bud.
Yeah.
Wow, any harder and I broke my wrist. Comes down hard. You want to come down on the throttle, eh? It's right there.
There's a stump in there, right?
There is.
That's where the stump is. It's on this side.
Oh. So we want to hit it over there. Big stump he hit last time in here. Charged her across the other side and just smacked her. Probably want to avoid that if possible. I think I'm going to take this approach. Right there. That other side looks pretty gnarly. Sure hope the front end stays up. Yeah!
Ready for it. One right after the other is going to look good.
Huh?
Because then I can get you and me. Or whatever. I think if I go up front, let me go up front with this. I'll go first, you go right behind me though.
Alright, boss.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Whoa!
Round two.
Yeah. Gotta be around two.
Uh-oh, gotta get a run.
Get Soupy back here, that's what's going on. Right there she is.
There's a run. That's what we want. I hope my camera's playing really well for you guys. It's hitting that ball, babe. Here, hold a grab.
She means business.
Ready? Just a little help, that's it.
The old girl's angry, man. I don't know.
She's angry.
She was wanting to go a little everywhere there, man. That was awesome. Defeated again. The old swamp. Well, folks, that's pretty much it for this adventure. We're just going to check these axles quick.
It's yeah, like I said, we'll draw some names for the giveaway.
Yeah, we will.
I don't know how we're going to do this. We just put up all the stuff in the description,
Yeah.
and we're simply going to do random draw just like we just did.
That's right, it'll all be in the details in the description. Check it out, drop it down, man. Let us know what you're interested in. And you might win.
That's right. You may be a winner, boys. perfect.
My hands are frozen.
Me too. Tell you what happened to my gloves.